I love the raisins. It gives it a nice, fresh, like fruity taste. Great dish. Plov is different in every region, so it's a regional dish, and that's it.
Too much plov.
Good evening, everyone. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in beautiful Khiva, Uzbekistan, in the western part of Uzbekistan, and this city is freaking amazing. 2,500-year-old UNESCO World Heritage walled city. There's 4 gates. There's so many different things to see here, like 54 different attractions. It's really, really small. So tonight what we're doing is we're gonna go see a cultural performance, you know, music, dancing, and then after that we're gonna go eat dinner. We're going with the group, and I have my boy.
Yo, how you doing, guys? Enjoy.
So we got here late, and we only saw like 2 minutes.
I was trying to get him to dance, but
yeah, but they ended
they ended it just before we were about to dance.
I know, man.
That would have been awesome.
I wanted to do like Abu.
Yeah.
I'm here with the beautiful Raya.
From Tunisia.
Tunisia.
Hi. Oi, oi, oi. I just want to eat to get to bed.
The city's like magical at night.
Really?
Yeah,
you
man.
like
it feels like a scene out of Aladdin. Nah, historical. I'm all about this. For me, this is the best. You know, culture, history, you know, mixing it all together, really experiencing it. The only thing I would love to do is probably like sleep like out in the desert.
Yeah.
Well, I'm hungry, guys. I'm starving. It's over there, right? What up, man?
Buddy, do you know what just happened?
What happened?
I just slept for 4 hours.
What?
I just missed most of the day. We've been in Khiva. I'm so jet lagged. I couldn't even. I just couldn't even. Couldn't wake up.
So you have no idea what this is, right?
I have no idea.
Oh, no. It's like, maybe like zucchini? I didn't know that.
They're what tomatoes?
The land of tomatoes.
Really?
Yeah. Tomato. Whoa. What an explosion. Like a gusher. It explodes in your mouth. Alright, so I'm trying something that's fried. We don't know exactly what this is.
Thank you.
Eggs and vegetables. It is like an omelet. It's like an omelet.
Cheers to
Cheers.
incredible experience. Cheers, cheers,
Green pepper? Hopefully it's not like a chili, right?
It's juicy. Very good. Yeah, I don't think I've had vegetables this like meaty before, like juicy and like, wow.
Alright, so this is basically a Cuban empanada. Here it's like a wonton, a fried wonton, and it's cheese inside, right? This cheese?
No cheese.
No? I thought there was cheese. White cheese, no? Oh, potato. This is empanada, the same thing. Wow. Alright, next up we have this delicious soup. It's basically like a grain soup with yellow carrots. There's beans, there's beef, super delicious, like really, really flavorful. Wow, man, the flavor here.
Like a dog, yeah. I like
Super
it. It's super tasty.
Yo, how's it going?
Good, bro. I got a whole picture myself.
What?
Son. That's right, dog.
I got one too.
No,
Right there.
They thought we were serious. That's why we don't mess
dude.
about, bro.
I ate so much the other day, we're like, yeah, you can do it again. Alright guys, so here we have the king of dishes here in Uzbekistan, the plov. Check this out. Got a lot of beef, got some lamb, some raisins, you got yellow carrots, you have delicious rice, my god. So we're just gonna grab some of this, mix it together. That's a big piece. Huge piece. Okay, bro, you're looking at it, you're tempted, huh?
I'm like peering through the glasses.
Cool. Super juicy lamb. They also put some oil in the rice. I love the raisins. It gives it a nice, fresh, like fruity taste. Great dish. Look at that piece of beef. That's beef, right? That's not lamb. So plov is different in every region. So it's a regional dish. It's a little different from the one I had earlier in Tashkent. Super delicious, very nice, ricey, fruity, fresh dish. And that's it.
We paid a lot of money for the hookah,
for
but it never
nothing.
came. And the hookah was next door.
Hello, bro.
You good? Hearing this music?
Sexy voice. And here you have to make viral photo to make good followers, you know?
You understand, right?
$5. Talk for me. $5. It's an option. Good luck.
I'm going to sleep.
Good
got
night.
like what? Less than 6 hours? 6 hours? Good night, good night, good night.
Dave, you're leaving us. See you tomorrow, man.
It never came, bro. It never came. I can't even believe it. Wow, what an epic night.
So great.
Such a good night. We started off with some little performance. I only saw like 2 minutes.
I saw like the whole thing.
You saw the whole thing?
I don't know what you're doing.
I don't know. I got there a little late. I mean, my bad.
Yeah.
But it was really cool though. You had the king, well, guy dressed as a king, and then the dancers.
Yep.
And then after that, we came here and had an epic meal with this
So epic.
incredible freaking minaret. I mean, lit up right there, incredible terrace. And yeah, guys, that's basically what you can do here in Khiva at night. Go have an incredible dinner mixed with some cultural, experience. And I hope you love this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel, follow my boy Connor, and we'll see you in the next travel food adventure in Uzbekistan.